Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. It's Tuesday night, normal Facebook Live time, and I'm going to be talking about 5 ways a minimalist lifestyle will change your life for the better. And I also have a special announcement at the end of my video. It's about a new launch that we have, and I'd love to have you stay till the end. And if you have any questions, you can always email me at ritawilkins@ritawilkins.com. So the journey to becoming a minimalist doesn't happen overnight. It can take years of self-discovery. It's a journey that requires deep courage and commitment, sometimes painful introspection, to confront those old beliefs and the self-sabotaging habits that we have. And it will help you discover what matters most to you so that you can weed out anything that doesn't align with what your core values are and what you value the most. So living a minimalist lifestyle is an opportunity to shed anything and everything that you no longer want, need, or love. And when pared down to just those essentials, life is really simple because it's uncluttered, it's more meaningful, and it's definitely more fulfilling. So you're no longer weighed down or burdened with too much stuff. You take back control of your life, and you're no longer controlled by stuff, and no more. You no longer have the same desire to keep buying more. So I've moved 4 times in the last 7 years. Each time, because I wanted a new lifestyle, a new experience, and in a new area. So most recently, I have moved to a beautiful area about 5 minutes from my granddaughter, my son, and my daughter-in-law. So life, when you are living with less, it does give you an opportunity to have that freedom to pursue things that you really want. So each time I moved, I shed more things that no longer serve me, and I didn't buy any more. So each time I moved, I kept editing. I felt lighter, more powerful, more committed to living that simpler life with less. So I had more time, money, and freedom, and also more energy, and what I didn't expect, and it was more contentment. I was just truly happy, and it was peaceful. So there's no reason to buy more, so I finally am content, and I have all I want and all I need. So I tell you that story because if you have listened to my TED Talk at Rita Wilkins, I think you'll understand that, I used to have a very large home. I am a designer. I've been a designer for 40 years, and I had all this beautiful stuff. But because of a trip to a third world country, my life was changed forever. So prior to becoming a minimalist, I was forever seeking more, when in fact, what I was really seeking was less. And there's a real paradox there, I suppose, but it was less overwhelm, less stress, and just, even though I've become a minimalist now, the journey to less still continues. And it's not perfect, and it's different for everyone. So what matters most to you may not matter at all to me, or vice versa. But that's just it. You get to choose what you want, and what you don't want. And it is a journey. It's your journey. So you get to choose to pursue the idea of living with less, one that you'll never regret if you do choose to go that route, and one that you'll never regret. So these are the 5 ways that a minimalist lifestyle will change you and your life forever. So number 1 is more time. So when you have less stuff to clean, to manage, to maintain, it becomes obvious you free up more time for things that are more important to you. And because you have fewer distractions, you're able to focus more. You're able to be more creative, more efficient, more productive. And the bottom line is you value your time and you don't want to waste it. And then the other thing about time is you start to develop more sustainable habits and simple daily routines that help you to maintain that clutter-free environment. So with less to maintain, with a shorter to-do list, your time is freed up to do more of what you want to do and not what you have to do. The second thing that you gain by becoming a minimalist or living a life with less is more money. So a minimalist values spending less, saving more, and having little or no debt. So I just found that kind of interesting as a designer. You know, I used to be able to spend quite a bit of money, and I never used the word make do. But when you start living with less, you look around and you are more, I don't know, maybe more creative, more resourceful in finding ways that you can repurpose things, and you buy quality versus quantity. And that that goes for whatever you choose to spend your money on, because you're making choices there. So by repurposing and sharing rather than buying everything new, then you're becoming more resourceful. Also, learning how to say no to buying more, or that impulse shopping, because it becomes easier and easier for you to decide and to be able to say no, because you realize you're just filling a void in your life, whatever it is. So you don't need to shop to buy fill that void. You're only looking at what's essential. The third thing that you gain when you start to live a life with less is more freedom. So a minimalist lifestyle provides you with that gift of real freedom. Freedom from busyness, freedom from clutter, distractions, shame and guilt, and then also the burden of just too much stuff. So, but it does provide you with the freedom to experience the peace, the calm, the happiness of a simple life with living with less, fewer commitments. It offers you the freedom to prioritize you, what you want, what you don't want, what you value, and what you don't value. So it makes your life easier, so you can choose what you want to pursue and what you don't want to pursue. And the fourth thing that living with less provides is more energy, both mental and physical energy, because you have more time, money, and freedom. With this kind of lifestyle, you have more energy to explore new opportunities, new experiences, to live that life more fully and to live your best life now. So then you can embrace the power that you've found to change what you want and need to change, so that you can create and live that life that you've been wanting. And then number 5 is more clarity. So as a minimalist, it becomes easier to make decisions because you've taken the time to understand what matters most to you and what doesn't. So when you're mindful of what you want and what you value most, your life has a newfound purpose and meaning. And believe me, it's not hard to make decisions when you are very clear about what matters most to you and what aligns with your values. It's kind of really that simple. And then number 6, this is actually a bonus. And this was totally unexpected, just being more content. So when you realize you have all you want and all you need, and that you don't want more, when you realize that more stuff doesn't make you any happier, and when you realize you have enough, that you are enough, and that you don't need to compare yourself to others anymore, there's a true sense of contentment and peace that sets in. You look around and you start appreciating what you do have, the people in your life that you love and care about. You're satisfied and you're more peaceful, happy, and content. So you are starting then to live that more rich and abundant life as a minimalist when you start to experience that. So I do hope that helps you, and it's a little bit about, just touching on what minimalism is all about. But I do have a special announcement tonight, and I don't normally do this, but it's something I'm very excited about. We've been working on it for about the last 4 months. I'm launching a new product. It's called Rita's Minimalist Essentials, and it is intended to help jumpstart your decluttering journey. It has over 60 pages. It's kind of all-in-one decluttering companion and planner. And it's packed with a 5-step roadmap, 30-day challenge, lots of checklists, accountability trackers, and it's a tool that I've used myself. That's why I wanted to get it down into some sort of a workbook that I can help you get started and stay motivated, because those are the number one and the number 2 problems with decluttering: getting started and staying motivated. So that you can then begin your decluttering journey, help simplify your life so you can start learning how to live a simpler life with less, more of a minimalist lifestyle. So if you want to get this new product, it's called Rita's Minimalist Essentials. You can go to my website, which is designservicesltd.com, and then /shop. And there's a little basket up in the far corner if you are at my website and you don't see it. It's just a little shopping cart. And the very first product listed there in the drop-down menu is under shop. So special pricing for a limited time only. It's 50% off. And you use the coupon code that's SAVE50 at the checkout. So it's normally $14.99. Right now it's only $9.99. And what I'm going to offer as a special thing is that everything else that is all of our resources on there will also be 50% off if you use the coupon code. So if you have any questions, you're always welcome to email me at ritawilkins@ritawilkins.com. And I do hope that this is a product that you'll consider, because I put my heart and soul into this, my team did, and very proud of it because it's so straightforward, it's so easy to follow, and it's a step-by-step guide on how to declutter, how to live that simpler life. And I'd love to get your feedback on it, so please let me know. Again, I'll see you next week, and I hope to have you go to my website, designservicesltd.com. Have a good night.